Good morning, all. Welcome to another Trading View update. Bitcoin trying to move higher, but at the moment, failing to find any real support at 57k. In fact, struggling to break through. We've traded above it for a few hours, but ultimately now we're still coming off it. Still trading in that slightly upward trading corridor. Still finding support in that entire channel. But you saw actually last night how price wicked down to 54k. Now, I don't know if that was exchanges attempting to flush out some leverage. As we know, as we've highlighted throughout the week, funding rates are still relatively flat across the board. But it's just interesting to see this sort of price action. Now, we said that the kind of 54.5 to 54k area would act as a short-term support, and at the moment it's doing so. But we're also now back at the stage where we're trying to fight higher, break through that 57k resistance area. You can see how we've actually been trading in this sort of kind of more macro trading corridors since, you could argue, the 15th of June. An upward trending resistance line coming through here. Price is unable to break through. When we do break through to the upside, then I think we're going to see quite an explosive run. Now, that said, if you look at the RSI being close to overbought levels, generally trading at the top of this corridor, there is always that chance that we correct lower. And right now, if we were to see some sort of large corrective move over the next month, you know, the 47k area, the price where it's consolidated once, twice already, this is starting to kind of become an interesting level. So just if we do start seeing prices move lower, keep an eye on that level. Not that I'm really expecting it at the moment. You know, this kind of upward trending price consolidation phase is a pretty strong signal. And we're seeing strength across the entire crypto market. Now, on ETH, it's now actually been ETH's turn to find some strength as Bitcoin has moved a little to the downside. Prices are essentially unchanged over the last 24 hours. If anything, they're up about $30. We're still finding support from this 2021 trading corridor that we've been in for the majority of the year. Prices, whenever they drop down, they test the bottom of this corridor and then they move higher. If it fails to hold over the next few days, then this kind of green support line coming through could act as support. When that's kind of created from the July lows and the September lows. So anything in and around $3,000 could be kind of the ultimate backstop in this current bull phase of the market. To the upside, we're still struggling to break through 3,680. That's the kind of the highest point that we've reached, which is the local top from the 16th of September. So any price increase there, we want to see this level really get broken higher for that next move towards the top of this trading corridor. That's it from us. Have a good day.